Hoagie? Hoagie! Where are you?
Pinkfong! Hoagie!
Pinkfong!
Hey guys, look! There's Rudolph! Is he really going to participate in the race?
Look at his funny nose.
It's like it's on fire. So red.
A red-nosed reindeer? The reindeer laugh at me.
I wish I could be friends with others. Why was I born with this funny red nose?
Oh, poor Rudolph. But I think your shiny red nose is so beautiful.
Really?
Of course. Your nose has a power to help everyone by lighting up the road. If you take first place in this race, your friends will all love you.
Really? I will do my best!
Now the race will begin. Everyone get ready. Go!
Go! Go! Come on! Oh, watch out! I'm the winner!
Wow, thanks to your shiny nose, we finished the race without any accidents. It was so cool.
We really need you to guide our sleigh.
Okay. Thank you!
Good job, Rudolph. Won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Yes, sir!
Are you guys ready?
Yeah! Run and run, run and run, my dear friend Rudolph.
A Christmas present.
Run faster than an airplane, my wonderful friend Rudolph. My wonderful friend Rudolph.
We love you, Rudolph.
Come play on our apps. Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.